What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu and the psychology of the market. As always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. Finally home from some travels, and I'm super excited to get back on track of having more scheduled videos, not too sporadic. But again, what we need to talk about is SHIB, and pretty much any crypto or stock could be attributed to the chart I'm going to show. Now, you could see that Shiba Inu's price action has been pretty miserable overall. We haven't really seen some good price action for SHIB since pretty much last year in 2021. Even after some fun news in February when we got listed by Robinhood, we saw a short rally followed by a significant decline overall, running back to pretty much where we were last year prior to the run-up. Now, what I want to talk about, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, is market psychology. But remember, before I do so, there's always 15 free stocks waiting for you in the description below with Mumu. So take advantage of getting free money. Regardless if it's crypto or not, free money is free money. Those of you who are OGs on this channel, you probably recall this chart right here. This was kind of my mainstay when it came to SHIB and cryptocurrency when we were discussing it last year when we were running sideways for many months. Go back and look up anything, YourPOP, market psychology, YourPOP chart, anything. You saw this post right here that I found actually on Reddit. Now, we as investors, generally speaking, like to jump into different opportunities, usually during a run-up, a significant run-up in the market. But regardless of what it is that you're looking at, oftentimes we see there's a stealth phase, an awareness phase, mania phase, and the blow-off phase. Regardless, and you can see time is in the x-axis, valuation is in the y-axis. Oftentimes, as long as an asset is backed by some kind of significant opportunity, whether it's a cryptocurrency or a stock, right now we're talking about SHIB specifically, we see pretty significant run-ups with hype, of course. So when we look at the first run-up back in May, this is when VB decided to burn 50% of the tokens that were sent to him, which was 50% of the circulating supply, excuse me. So pretty much 90% he burned, and then 10% he sent to a relief wallet, which created some excitement, followed by Binance listing, some centralized exchanges taking interest in SHIB. After that, unfortunately, we saw the entire crypto market kind of fall after that run-up, followed by some significant consolidation for many months. And that's why I always came back to here, because we were in kind of this despair phase. The, again, return to normal, denial, fear, capitulation, everything there that you see, that's kind of where we fell back in May of 2021. But what I was trying to remind everyone is, remember, we will see another cycle when smart money will start coming in once we fall to where we were at the mean. And you can see this line here that says mean that goes all the way through the bottom. Because over time, as long as an asset, again, has utility, has a use case, has some kind of substance to it that will continue to excite investors and people in the space, we will see it come back up to its all-time highs. And what happened in October of 21, not only did we see it return to its all-time highs and consolidate there for a few days, but we saw this thing jump right before the beginning of November all the way to its new all-time high, which was 2x or almost 3x from where it was in May of 21. So think about it. A lot of investors who bought at the top here thought, hey, I need to get out and I need to secure my wealth because it's going to zero. But oftentimes assets don't go to zero. And I always look at it as, is the development team continuing to do work? Is the community still excited? If you go on CoinMarketCap here and you click on overall cryptocurrencies, hit trending, you'll see that Shiba Inu is still within the top 3 a year later from its all-time high. Right now, we're entering to where we started this downward trend, but people are still looking at SHIB more than Bitcoin. So again, pay attention to what the market is looking at and what the market is doing. Because I do believe excitement is still there for SHIB, though the price action and volume isn't there. We will see the stealth phase, smart money coming back in, bigger institutional investors also coming in. We might see a little bit of sell-off, but followed by, again, media attention. Once again, enthusiasm, greed, delusion, new paradigms, and we'll see a run-up yet again. So stay strong. I know it's the harder thing to do, especially when it comes to crypto, but right now, smart money is going to start coming back into crypto. So pay attention. Bitcoin, Ethereum at these valuations more money is going to start getting injected slowly over time as they dollar cost average into the play. And when the bull run comes, those are the individuals that get to secure profits. New investors will come in. They will potentially lose money. They're going to be disappointed. But hey, those of us that have been sticking around the space for a really long time are going to be the ones that come out on top. So again, as always, I do appreciate you guys' love and support and continuously just showing your love regardless of market conditions. So thank you so much. Make sure you smash that like button and also consider subscribing to the channel. That's all I had for you guys this morning. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.